If you want to get rid of thigh and belly fat, start drinking coconut water every day. First of all, coconut water has draining properties that can help eliminate fat that accumulates in the thighs and abdomen, helping you lose weight more easily. Coconut water contains only 13 calories per 100 grams and is high in fiber, which increases satiety and reduces snacking. In addition, coconut water is rich in antioxidants that fight free radicals, molecules that cause skin aging. By drinking coconut water, you can benefit from its anti-aging effects and keep your skin young and healthy. But that's not all. Coconut water has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that help fight urinary tract infections. It cleans the urethra, inhibits bacterial growth, and keeps the urinary system healthy. Improved digestion. Coconut water is rich in fiber and digestive substances, which promote intestinal movement and help digest food better. If you enjoyed this video, please rate this video in the comments section. Thank you very much.